Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off preview web links from contact on Samsung Messages app. So if you use the Samsung Messages app instead of the Google Messages app on your Samsung phone, and now you want to turn on or turn off the feature to preview links from contact on your Samsung phone, that is, the feature to preview links from numbers you saved on your contact phone, then there's a video for you. And if you also want to turn this off to stop link preview within the Messages app, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or turn off link preview from contact on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Messages app on your Samsung. Click on the three dots at the top right. Select Settings. On the Settings page, locate and click on More Settings. Once you selected More Settings, now you want to scroll down and locate Preview Web Links from Contact. If this is disabled and you want to enable it, just go ahead and toggle this on. You will be able to preview web links from saved contacts on your Samsung Galaxy phone henceforth if you are using the Messages app as default. To turn it off, just locate Preview Web Links from Contacts and turn this off. And henceforth, your Samsung phone Messages app will stop preview of web links from any saved contact on your phone, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn on or turn off preview web links from contacts on Messages app on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.